Hi, I want to show you how to create different type of the side objects. For example, the fence or racetracks. Create folder. Okay, I want to show you how to create a fence. You can easily create a fence body, fence texture. This is a very simple fence 3D model. Also, I want to add another like here. You must separate the different materials, parts of the mesh. This is one material, another. Okay. Fence. This is the type of the fence. Create different materials, rename. Okay, now we have a fence model. With 3 mesh. You can't combine the fence. You must use separate mesh for each material. Okay. This is a fence model. Create a prefab for the fence. On the road network, from here, create a new object. Fence right. Here at the fence. Everything is okay. Category is MISC. Now try from side object, select side object MISC fence. As you can see, we have a very nice fence model generated. Here's sigil. MISC. I want to move it to fence. This is a perceval mesh. You can use mesh object. As you can see, the models is not aligned correctly, so we must use perceval mesh generation. This is very easy. Vertical mesh generation. What happened on connection? Here is the connection point. Okay, the fence rotation is not correct. This is the right and must be look to the left side. So select it and rotation, rotation, random rotation angle. No. This is useful to create damage effects. I don't need this one. This is useful to create damage fence. I don't like to generate damage. Okay. Electric position is good. Electric position. Climb to road geometry. Will increase its resolution. I don't want. As you can see, we have some distance on here. What happened for here? Okay. As you can see, we have a very nice fence effect. From prefab, left, duplicate the fence, right, move to scene, fence right. As you can see, the fence rotated to the right for right side of the road, and it's okay. Duplicate the car inside object and rename it to left. Now when you have creating a new road, default road, okay, now activate the side objects for this road. Side objects, fence, left. This is the right side object, this is the fence left. As you can see, the position is not correct, so comes here, select your fence left and customize the exposition. Select the right one. As you can see, we have very nice terrain, road with fence, left fence and the right fence. Select the road network, right fence, right fence. Okay, left fence, it's good. This is very useful to create race tracks. For example, NASCAR race tracks. The fences. Left fence exposition, incorrect position. Okay. Good. This is a very nice way to create a racetrack. Also, you can customize the fence for each marker. For example, here I want to disable, find the selected road marker and marker side objects. You can deactivate the selected marker side objects. I want to deactivate the right side object, marker side object. Select one of the markers. write fence for selected side object. You can disable fence for your selected side objects. Finally, build the road. Everything looks amazing. Okay.